segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. Don't let your love life fall into a slump after Valentine's Day. Katie is back to tell us more about a revolutionary treatment for ED. Katie, thanks so much for coming back in.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so talk to us about this. It is a new treatment out there. It's different than the pill. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, so we have a breakthrough treatment called acoustic wave therapy, which treats the root cause of ED. So it's not the Band-Aid effect like the pills or the injections. There's no pain with this and no downtime.
Okay, so I think when people think of a new treatment, they automatically think, is it safe? Is this safe to get?
Yes, absolutely. So there has been over 60 clinical studies that show both the efficacy and lack of side effects with acoustic wave therapy in treating ED, both by Cambridge University and the Cleveland Clinic, to name just a few.
Okay, there you go. Does it work on most men struggling with ED?
Yes, so we are so excited about this. There is an 80% result in anybody that comes into our clinics. And what it is, guys, it's just a small device that's placed on the skin, and it produces gentle pressure waves down to the blood vessels, opening them back up, allowing for greater blood flow. So again, it's not the Band-Aid effect like the pills or the injections.
Okay, and are customers pretty happy with this? What are your patients saying?
Yes, so what I love to hear is what happens in relationships. We know that intimacy is a super glue to relationships. So when that's thriving, the relationship is thriving, and we also see a spillover effect into work and other social interactions.
Okay, so you talked about relationships. When men are done with this treatment, would you say they're pretty happy that they went through with it?
Oh yes, absolutely. And this is a quality of life thing. It just affects so much more than just the relationship. It also affects work, social environments, anybody, you know, overall confidence.
All right, so what if someone is really nervous about coming in? What does a consultation look like? Yeah,
so if you come in, you have a blood flow ultrasound that sees if you are a candidate, that sees if blood flow is your issue. So what it is you literally come in, it's an all men's clinic. Everything is discreet and confidential, so we make everything as comfortable as possible.
All right, so how many appointments does it take until the problem is actually solved?
Yeah, so it depends on every man. You come in and you talk to a doctor and you have a treatment plan set up. And these treatments are only 15 minutes long. So it's a 2 to 3 week period of time. You come in, it could be even on your lunch break, and you have the treatment and you could go back to your daily life right after, gym, work, whatever it may be.
Okay, so we talked about the consultation. What if someone is really nervous to pick up the phone and call? Can they do that through the website? What does that look like?
Yeah, so we have wasatchmedicalclinic.com, or you can even give us a call at 801-901-8000, and today we'll give you a free assessment, free exam, even the free blood flow ultrasound, and we will also throw in a special gift for you and your significant other. But they do not need to be embarrassed about this. This is a very prevalent thing, so give us a call.
And actually, it doesn't just happen for older men. It can happen at any age, really, right?
Great question. So we see that over 50% of men in their 50s are dealing with this, and the number for men in the 40s is on the rise. And in our clinic, we see as young as 18 all the way to 100. So this is a very prevalent thing.
Okay, so where are you guys located?
So we are located in Murray.
Okay, all right, there you go, Murray. All right, one more time, Katie, where can we go for more information?
Yeah, so you can either give us a call at 801-901-8000 or wasatchmedicalclinic.com.
Perfect, Katie. Thank you so much for coming in.
Yeah, thank you for having me.